Divipard GK-10 Gaming Keyboard Review, budget-friendly and high-quality mechanical keyboard that work great for gamers. Work Rift. The Divipard GK-10 is a good choice for gamers who want to build their own collection of games without spending too much money on keyboards. It has all the features you need to enhance your game. There are also some hidden features that will surprise you. It has a sleek design, an RGB backlighting and many other features that make it great to use for gaming. It helps to prevent fatigue when playing games for a long time, which reduces the chance of getting muscle strain and other problems from computer use. The ergonomic keyboard enables you to comfortable touch typing in an extended period of time. Divipard GK-10 Wired Gaming Keyboard 87 keys Mechanical Feeling Keyboard RGB is a robust, durable and affordable keyboard. The product has been made with an aluminium alloy metal cover. That black in color provides to the user better tactile feel when typing. Divipard GK-10 Mechanical Feeling Keyboard comes with anti-slip pads for added comfort while you are working on your computer desk or laptop stand. This amazing feature reduces fatigue of hands after hours of type work while looking at monitor screen. Divipard GK-10 Wired Gaming Keyboard 87 keys Mechanical Feeling Keyboard RGB Lighting Effect Waterproof Keyboard for laptop desk. The aluminium chassis makes this keyboard sturdy for long-term use. When it comes to the Divipard GK-10 Wired Gaming Keyboard 87 keys Mechanical Feeling Keyboard RGB, it has an anti-ghosting feature, which means that you can type multiple keys at once without any problems. It also has a high-performance LED backlight, which is very helpful when typing in low-light conditions or dark rooms. The GK-10 is a tenkeyless mechanical keyboard. This means it has no number or function keys. This allows you to customize this keyboard to suit your needs. This keyboard has a full-size USB port, an audio jack for headphones or a microphone, for use with a computer speaker system, and 2 USB ports. Divipard GK-10 Gaming Keyboard is an affordable gaming keyboard with an attractive look. It does not have all the extra keys you need, so you can save money and space on your desk.